Alright, welcome. In this project, we shall be creating a flyer for a photography studio, just for a happy new month stuff. Just want a flyer for social media design that they're going to post on their handle that is celebrating the new month. So let's jump into it. So first, I created my new workspace, and then I display settings here. 1080 pixels by 1080, and then the resolution I just set it at 300. Nothing changed, just click create. So there we have the workspace. So yeah, to change my background color to black, and not black like that. I'm going to go with this number. This number is okay. So I'm just going to click OK. So I'm going to be using white text, and I'll be using Metropolis. This is black. Now all of this will be available in the source folder. You can get, and then you follow along while we're creating this. So I'm going to be creating. Okay. I'm going to type in happy new month. And click OK. Quite large. So I'm going to and drag. So I want my design to be aligned on all the edges. So I'm going to hold here, come to this place and drag. I think like say 10%. So I'm going to make sure this is aligned here. So we'll better click the size a little. Hit enter. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, since there's no logo for this brand, you can just decide to add whatsoever you want to add. So for this, I'm just going to add Igbo, and make them all caps lock, Igbo, and then I'm going to write photo, photography and videography. Let's say this is the name. I'm going to hit enter, come back, change this to regular, and then reduce the size so that it could fit under this, fit under Igbo. That's maybe for the logo. Meaning hold Control plus. So, let's say something like this. So I'm going to hold Shift, select them both, and drag them. So I want everything aligned this way. So I'm going to align them. I think it's quite nice, so I'm going to use it. So it's my imaginary logo. Okay, so we have the logo right there. So I want the text to be white. I'm going to change this color here. Okay, I'm going to go with this, and then this tool, I'm going to change the color to white. So I've noticed that it's quite closer. So I'm going to come over here and increase the spacing, the line spacing a little bit. I think it's quite much. 26. This is quite okay. I'm going to come over here grab my shape tool and then hold just click and drag and just make it this, take it to the edge like this. And I'm going to zoom in close to see. I'll click here to change the color. I'm going to go with this. Yeah. Perfect. Zoom out. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, I think this red is okay. Oh, I think I have it right here. I'm going to click here and then select this red. Okay. This is quite more lighter. So I'm going to hold Alt and then drag it here to create a duplicate. And then I'm going to come here, select my text tool, and then click in, reduce the size, and then make it regular too. Good. And so hold control, I'm going to move it up just here. So what are their services? We have photo studio shoots. Let's say outdoor shoots, portrait, weddings, let's say drone shoot too. So I think this is quite smooth, so I'm going to click it enter. So to get this, take it to the next. Don't worry, just come here and reduce the line spacing. So I'm selecting everything, control A, then I'm going to drag it right up there. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Drone shoots, and then music, music videos, and just think of anything to add there. I think I'm going to stop at and lots more, and lots more. I'm going to hit enter. So I'm going to click up here. So I'm going to make sure that my text here is aligned. So I'm going to add it to I think 7. I'm going to find the balance 7.5. Let's see. I think I'm happy with that. Yeah. Perfect. So I'm going to I think this is too much. So I'm going to reduce the height to 7, maybe. So this is 6. Let's see. Yeah, I think 6 is okay. I'm going to do the same. This is the height of the shape. So I think I'm happy with this also. And I'm going to come over here again, and then I'm going to hit the shape tool, and I'm going to click and drag just something small here. So I'm going to come look for the color I selected earlier. It's going to be here. So I'm going to hit OK. So I want the image or the shape to be quite rounded, so I'm going to hold it and it's going to increase the thing. Yeah, you see, it's now rounded. I'm going to hit V to go back to my move tool, and then I'm going to select my text again, and then select type in book now. Now if you notice, this down here, so I'm going to shift it up to where my rectangle is, and then hit B. I'm going to make it a little bit bolder, so I'm going to select bold and then make it at the center quite big, so I'm going to reduce it a little and drag it enter. So I'm going to hit control and select the butterfly, and I want to align them to the middle. Yeah, you see. So I'm going to hold Alt again. I'm happy with the text, so I'm going to hit Alt, and while I'm holding Shift, it's going to make a copy of it also in straight line. So I'm going to hit it. So you just type in a number of your letters. So I'm going to say 090 and 334 and then 567. That's okay. 0902 342. Let's see. And then when it's complete, that's 4 here, and then 3 in the middle, so that makes it 11 of Nigeria. So we have this here, and I want to add this a little bit. Yeah, permit me add this a little bit. So because this implies hierarchy, what do I want my audience to see first? I'm going to shift this up a little so that there will be space for it to breathe. Take this up a little also. So you just find the way around it and keep shifting. So just look for where you can have balance. Is when I'm going to import in my background. I'm going to go to my desktop. I think it's here. So I wanted to get this I just love this image, and then I just decided to bring it in and drag, and then it's going to load. Yeah, so you could see it's going to basic. So I'm going to click and drag, and I want to use water waves to be and talk like 12 feet, right? And to cover almost everything. So I'm going to drag this and bring it just down here so that everything is the same. And if you notice that it's quite contrasting, so I'm going to use my blend mode, and I'm going to be moving down, multiply, and you just play around because this works with what you want. You could see. There's so many things you can do. You could see. So the most important thing here is you just find a balance for your design based on what you're looking for. You can play it with blend mode. I think I'm happy with the software. So I'm going to come over to my filter. I'm going to blur it a little, so that it doesn't look too very sharp and take away my audience eyes from what I want them to actually do, just to create a soft feel for this design. Now, even if I leave this design here, it's quite fine. I'm happy and I'm satisfied with it. So I think I'm going to just we should just align this to this too. Okay. Perfect. So now looking at the side, this right side here, it's looking too empty. So I'm bringing this image here. This. So I'm going to quickly import it. I want it to just fill this space for me. I want something to be like this. Okay. I'm going to click it. Now it's still on top, so I'm going to drag it. This is here. Now if you notice, these hard edges are there and I don't want it. So first I'm going to start with blending the image just by creating a contrast between this color and this. So I'm going to use my blend mode to darken, or you can see I'm not happy with those things. You can see it's quite blending. So I kind of love the way it blended this. You could see it just blends the whole thing together. So I'm going to drag it to where I think I'm okay, satisfied. Drag it a bit to like this. Yeah, to make sure it's in the right place. So I'm going to select this image. I'm going to click this add layer mask, and then I'm going to add it. So I'm going to come over to my gradient, this, select it, and make sure the color is the, come over to basic, and then select this one that has opacity, uh, yeah, transparent to black. And what we're going to do is we want to clean off this edge, but we don't want it to look too obvious. I'm going to hold shift and click drag. So I'm going to come closer so that it blends. This one feels right for me. Yeah, beautiful. So far I'm happy with this design, and this brings us to the end, and I hope you learned something. Do have a nice day, and until next time, see you again.